parent should watch their child the entire time they're in the water. Drowning typically occurs within seconds, so it's imperative that you watch your child. It's easy to convince yourself that you're attentive to your children at the pool, but the harsh reality is that parents are often present when drownings occur. Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of parents scrolling through social media or having drinks at the barbecue while their kids are in the pool. These are dangerous situations as kids and parents can get lulled into a false sense of security. It is also necessary to know the pool your child is in, as well as your child's true capabilities. If there's a deep end in the pool and your child is not able to float on their back, or if there's a high wall that's difficult to grab hold of, be extra cautious in those areas. If there's a waterfall that may challenge your child, watch carefully when they're near that space. Be aware of large flotation devices that even strong swimmers can get caught under. These are just some of the examples of what to look for in a pool. A mistake many of us make without thinking about it is diffusion of responsibility. 6 adults, 1 child, somebody will be watching her at all times, right? In a group, we may assume that somebody else is the responsible party, but too often nobody's actually taking responsibility. I often advise parents of my students to adopt a tag team system when near a pool. You could even create a water watcher necklace to hand to the responsible party. You can find these online. If dad is going to grab a drink, tell mom or uncle that they are responsible for the kids until they get back, and vice versa. Point to a specific person to watch the kids instead of assuming somebody is watching them, as they might not be.